a lot of you out there are paying too much for your Adobe Creative Cloud applications, and I'm going to show you a little known way to reduce your monthly fee. Alright, so once you have signed into your Adobe account, you'll see your payment, how much you're paying a month. I'm paying $55 a month. I noticed this recently. I've been paying this price for several months now before I realized it, but I'm going to show you a trick. Go over here to Manage Plan, and previously you would have to cancel your account and go through the process, and a pop-up would show right before you canceled saying, hey, save so much money by not canceling and renewing your subscription at this lower cost. Now you don't even have to do that. You just log in, go to Manage Plan, and there's a special offer right here that will give you 25% off, reducing that down about $15, and that's good enough for me. You could do a find a better plan, but you're not going to be offered this under this section here. This one here will just show you different plans you can do to reduce the number of applications that you have access to, and that's not for me. I actually use a majority of the applications provided. So I'm going to go ahead and do this 25% off plan. Click See Offer, let it load, and here it is. So it's going to show me my annual plan, paid monthly, $40. It's good for me. I know I'm going to be using the Adobe products for more than a year, so that's perfect. I'll get a refund here, cancellation information, all of the details are right here. So when you're ready to go, you hit agree and subscribe, and you just saved yourself some money. Who doesn't want to save money, right? All right, well, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And as always, on to the next.